Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to an update on XLM or Stellar, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. But we'll do a full update on that. We'll talk about the technicals, we'll briefly talk about just the current state of XLM because I do think there are certain things you need to know about that. But just in general, I'll try to prepare you as well as possible for everything that can happen, alright? I hope you're having a great start of the weekend, by the way, if I haven't said that already. But for now, let's get into it. I do, by the way, I'm a full-time profitable trader as well. I do have my own Signal group as well, which you can see from the top right there. If you're interested in becoming a better trader yourself, while also getting free trade setups or getting trade setups every day, then check out those links. But for now, we're going to focus on XLM. So the thing about the market situation / market circumstances, which I wanted to talk about with you about XLM, are two things. All right. So first of all, we obviously had quite a lot of bullish momentum last week, where other cryptos were, quite weak. But with XLM, what we're seeing right now is first of all that the volume has dropped down drastically. And perhaps then you'll tell me that it's the weekend, that's normal, which I agree with. But usually everything in terms of volume decrease follows Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's volume right now is still pretty steady since it's dropping, but it's still pretty steady over the last 24 hours. Stellar, though, has dropped down significantly over the last night. All right, so we're losing momentum. Apart from that, I always have said that I think it's a bit manipulated. Like these are not normal volume sources. So much from SuperX, UpBit and HitBTC. And you can also ask yourself some questions about this initial move and whether that was warranted. All right, but that doesn't matter. For now, like I said, we're losing momentum. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop down, probably down to this major support level right here, between 15 cents, major psychological support level, and 15.3, major technical level with the trend line, 50 EMA. So we're going to drop down there. It's a beautiful level, all right? So that will initially probably hold. But then the question is can we, from that major support level, actually get bullish confirmation? And there are a lot of different key levels which we need to think about, but the most important one is, I think, 16.1. So that's 0.161. If from this level we can actually break above that, all right, then I do think we can rally even higher. Whether we are manipulated or not, then 17.5 cents is possible, and from 17.5, I mean, basically sky's the limit. Then all of a sudden 20 cents is also possible, but that's then something to talk about a little bit later, because you might already assume it, but I think it's a bit more likely, especially with the volume this low, right? I would if you're trading XLM, I would keep a close eye on that volume, because if the volume keeps dropping like this, you're losing momentum and you're not going to be able to break above 16.1 again. And if that's not the case, if you cannot get that bullish confirmation, then at some point of time 15 cents is going to break, and if 15 cents breaks, we'll drop down all the way to 14 cents again, and then from there, frankly, I'll keep you updated, but at some point of time I do think we'll drop down lower as well towards that 13 cents area. So yeah, this looks, at this point of time, it looks like the most likely scenario. I would say that technicals haven't confirmed it yet. Technically, we are still bullish, but fundamentally, the dropping volume, a bearish Bitcoin, I do think that creates a strong case. But we'll see, all right? I mean, like I said, it's also still a possibility that we'll break above 16.1 cents, but just keep an eye on that volume. We do need more volume than this for that. So that's my take on XLM. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.